We're excited about this splash pad finally getting opened after a few years of trying to work on that thing. The splash pad has been a great hit. Parents loving it. I've seen parents out there in the water with the kids, and the kids more than loving it. It's just a great time. Seems like every time I ride by, it's packed. The hours for that are from 10 in the morning till 8 at night, 6 days a week, and on Sundays from 1 o'clock after church until 8 at night. So, and it's free to the public. So, anybody from outside the city limits come in also. We invite you to come into our beautiful city and enjoy that. We had a great turnout for the grand opening and ribbon cutting. We would like to recognize the fire department from the City of Darlington for their great work. The second year in a row as the fire safety community is our second time in a row from being able to have that award and acknowledgement. And also the fire department has worked with the Clemson University on a grain entrapment, trying to make sure they could get people out if they get caught in the grains, bins. So the fire department's doing a great job keeping our ISO down, our rating down, which helps with the insurance rating. So your insurance stays down, trying to help the community that way. We have a really good standing with the fire department, and so they are doing a fabulous job, and we appreciate their hard work. When we are happy to have the lift station finally working over on Highway 34, coming from McLeod, coming back into Darlington on Cashberry Road over there. If you notice, over the Black Creek area used to be a pipe that sticks out over there that was sewer line going through. So all that has been changed out. Brand new lift station coming through there, making sure that everything's safe for the sewer lines coming from that side of town. So we appreciate the water department, sewer department, all making sure that effort is done, and the grant funding for that come across. So big project on that has finally been completed and up and running. We have lots of businesses in town, everybody working hard. We wanted to name out a few of them. The market on the square, we appreciate their support for the farmers market. They're trying to get people to come down and booths, local farmers and crafts. I was in there the other day. A young girl, I looked like she maybe about 12, 13, had a whole row of earrings that she had made out of clay. People in there with all kind of fruits and vegetables and honey and you name it. They're trying to make it work down there. And so come visit the farmers market downtown on the square at the market on the square at Pearl Street. Also, Doughlicious has done a lot of events and stuff, held stuff for the racetrack the other day, kickoff for that. And so a lot of events going on around downtown and all throughout our city. So we love the City of Darlington and our residents and businesses working together.